So we've got Dan Stevenson and we have... Hi.
Hey, Sarab.
Sarab.
Yeah.
Hi, Sarab. I'm Daryl as a service, a friend of Teams. Yes.
Good.
Yeah. What role do you play in Teams?
I am a PM in the messaging team, and so I drive a lot of messaging and chat experiences, what you see in Teams today.
It has been a huge job for you guys to get your messaging out nice and clear, not confusing, so people know what things are possible and what's coming, right?
Absolutely. Like our goal has been how to increase productivity in the whole collab space, and so we chats or group chats, but we also have a great collaboration story in the form of teams and channels where people just can share messages and talk to each other, and everything is open, so that really helps.
Definitely. I guess the team's team is quite large, isn't it? So do you have a focus area? How are you doing there, Dan? You managed to find a cable?
I stole one off this laptop.
That is fine. That's fine. That's exactly what it's for. Yeah, so do you have a focus area, or is it there's a PM for certain areas of Teams?
Sure, yes. I have a focus area of chats, so anything related to like one-on-one chat, group chat, meetings chat, like it's pretty busy.
You're actually the central guy, because I think as Dan phrased it when it went GA, he was really trying to get a clear message out that everything centers around chat.
Yes.
It's all around conversation to start.
Yes.
You know, there's bots, there's
yes, whether it's
around
files or it's like tabs, everything is centered around conversations and chat, because that's where the collaboration happens between people.
So a question comes to mind. We do have a demo. We'll come over here. Speaking of chat, nice.
Sarab is going to show us in our little demo attendant here. Sarab's going to show us a few new features that actually are still in preview, and we haven't. We just put them in the mechanics video, and but this is probably going to go live before that. So,
right, yeah, depending on the quality of the stream.
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the things that we have been getting feedback around is that if you have a group chat going on about some topic, and you want to, you don't have sufficient information, but you know somebody in your team who knows that information, so you want to extend that group chat to include that new person. But the problem that we have been facing is whenever you add a new person to a group chat, they don't have the context of what the conversation is all about.
They don't know what to ask because
yes,
they're
exactly.
brand new.
So what we have enabled is that here, if I go ahead and try to add a new person, Mira, you see I get options of, hey, whether I want to share any chat history.
Oh, wow.
I can share all of the chat history, or I just want to limit it for some last couple of days where the context is limited to. I can do that. And when I share the chat history, it's not only shares the messages for the past few days, but it also shares the files or any relevant images that you have shared. So the new people who are getting onto the conversation have all the context.
So, okay, here's a question for you, and it might be a good something of a comparison, but one way that Yammer people do it sometimes is that they take a link to a conversation. Mm-hmm. This isn't something that's currently. Did I just get a signal there? I got a little signal.
Yes, so
I'm going to save that one for tomorrow too.
So I'll show you if.
I really hope the stream comes through. Sorry, keep going.
Yes. So what you can do now is in conversations, you can not only read the conversations, but you can also.
Hold that on screen. Hold that on screen. Okay, people. Okay, we have a way of referencing a conversation directly, and is it the whole thread, or can you reference a reply?
You can pick up any message.
Either.
Yes.
Wow.
And it
okay. Show me what it looks like.
Yes. So if I just copy this link, and if I can just post it in that chat here.
Yep. Thank you, Katie, for participating. Haven't seen you.
She's fake.
Hey? Okay, thanks, Katie. Thank you, fake Katie.
Yep. If you see here, I pasted a deep link. It gives a context of which channel it is being picked up from, what time, and then a little glimpse of what the conversation is all about. Okay,
I'll just get a bit closer so I can see that. Can you point them out again? Yeah, just point on the screen, it's fine.
Sure. It's this deep link.
Yep.
That talks about the conversation that we copied the link of. It has details about which channel that has been copied from, and has some information about what topic it is. And a person can just directly click on it, and it'll take you the conversation exactly which was being
Wow,
referred.
no, that's
So
brilliant. That's
pretty
brilliant.
powerful because
Yeah.
if you want to share a context with other people, that's really where it helps.
Exactly. So the feature you began to show me, which was about trying to bring someone up to speed quickly and including chat as a history. This is the other way that people do it. They know that there's a conversation that they want to reference.
Yes. Yep. Yeah.
So kind of like CCing people in or forwarding something to someone you're actually.
Yeah, some of these metaphors break down when you try and backport them to email.
I guess so.
I understand what you're saying, but
Yeah.
it's all referential because it's in the cloud. It's not like a copy of the conversation. It's just a link to it.
Yeah, exactly. Oh wow! No, I am excited about that, and this is something that hasn't been shown yet.
I don't think copy link is out there yet. Yeah, it's coming soon.
Yeah, it's coming soon. It's something that we have been testing internally.
Yeah.
Wow.
And the history one too.
Yep.
Very cool.
All right, cool.
Well, thank you
Thank you.
guys.
Thanks, all
Thank
right.
you. And I'll bump into you later.
Yeah. I'm minding him.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I understand.
I'm going to see if I can get another guy to come over and do the calling demo for you. and talk
Oh
about
yeah,
something.
definitely.
Just a sec.
Yeah. You know, I'm gonna switch to actually just filming rather than